This is cedar mulch, and it's an aromatic mulch. We've planted in the bed behind us. It's a good mulch to have because it is a natural insect repellent. Cedar repels a lot of insects because a lot of cedar, we make cedar chests and cedar closets, and the same thing with the chips in the bed. It repels insects naturally. Sometimes we also use cypress in the beds too. They break down very slowly and they will stay in mulch longer in your beds and will repel insects. Therefore, because of that, a lot of bugs just don't like to be in the beds with those, and so a lot of pest control companies say use cedar mulch or cypress mulch.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.